done broke the damn thing all fucking ready, bruh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I hope everybody's doing good out there. I'm doing good, y'all. Look, before we get into this video, y'all go ahead, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time that I'm uploading, and leave a comment and say hey to you, girl. I promise you I'll talk back. Period. But yes, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get right up into this video. I am so excited right now. I have gotten the viral camera that everybody has been talking to, so I'm like, you know what, I really want to get it. I want to test it out. I want to see if it's really that good too. Like I'm trying to get on with my content creator and make my vlogs and stuff more dope too. Period. So I'm on the wave, so y'all done convinced me. And this shit better be good. But look, y'all, as y'all already see by the title, I got the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 camera. Yes, y'all, this. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I just had got it yesterday. And I was like, I don't mean no harm. I don't even care if I'm looking a mess. I'm getting on here because I'm ready to use this now. Like, I just want to go ahead and start playing with it. I just want to use it. So I'm ready to open this up. Now, for me, I didn't get the content creator packet one. I mean, either way it goes, it has a bitch either way, honestly. But I did just get the camera. But I did get all the accessories so far that I would probably need. I've been trying to do my research, like, what are the accessories that I truly need just beginning off. So I have my Amazon packages here too, so we're gonna go through that and we're gonna do what it needs to do, y'all. I got this open, y'all. I'm so hyped. I got the camera, y'all. People been raving about. I didn't let y'all influence me for real. Like, y'all really influenced your girl. So with this, you just getting, I don't know, you get this and this. We about to see what it is. This is what came in it. Okay, and look at the little case, guys. Oh, it's so small. Oh, look at it. Y'all, I am so excited. Let's take it off. Oh, I am so excited. Y'all, I am so excited for the occasion. So I guess you just put this on like this. Wait, is that right? Or do you put it on like this? Oh yeah. But look, y'all, it is so cute. I'm pretty sure I gotta, oh wait, it came on. Oh, yes, English. Is it touchscreen? Bitch, now we turning. Yes, like what? This is what's going down right now, y'all. Check it out. It's so small and I think I'm going to love this. Period. I cannot believe I brought this high ass little camera. Y'all, I'm gonna be out here like this. Y'all, I'm really about to be outside with my cute little Pocket 3, y'all. I'm feeling like I'm like a real like content creator. I'm a real YouTuber at this point. Like, can't nobody tell me nothing. Like, this is high. This is not a cheap investment. And I'm gonna tell you one thing. This will be the only investment I will make unless somebody else wanna give me a purchase for my YouTube and my content creator. I'm done for the remaining of the year. I feel like I have brought way too much stuff. So the things that I have, I'm gonna thug it on out until the following year and we're gonna see what it do. You feel what I'm saying? This is adorable. It's so stinking cute, y'all. Y'all, I got a new little camera. I'm still gonna use my Sony, of course. I'm still gonna use that. But I really just want to use this for my when I go out for vlogs and different things like that. I just really want to just use this little one because my Sony, it's not big, but I think I like this size. I love this size. So yeah. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna keep all of this stuff because I want to read up on it, because apparently if you download the app or something, you can have different color grading in the app with DJI. So I just want to read up on that a little bit more. Alright, so look, y'all, let me go ahead and show y'all some of the things that I have got from Amazon far as my accessories. So I have a lens cap. So instead of using this, because I've heard a lot of things like sometimes this be doing too much type situation. So it's like get one that will cover the whole thing up. So I got a pink one. Look, it's so stinking cute. And I guess you could put like another lens right here. I didn't buy no lenses this time. One day. We just not gonna do that today. So I guess we just put it in there like that. Oh, and it just clips. Oh, yep. And that's it. It's super cute. Everything, all my little accessories that I did get, it is pink. So yeah, period. We are girly over here. So I did get the silicone cases. Now, y'all, something that I didn't buy is the mic. I did not buy the mic because like I said, I didn't get the creator packet. I just bought the camera, but I will be getting a mic soon. I just didn't get it now. And that's all. But honestly, y'all, I think I'm okay. Y'all, it's like this shit in the goddamn way, alright? Dang. Trying my hardest to be very gentle, very careful. I didn't get any keychains. I said I might get me a cute little keychain too, but it's not a necessity right now, so that's why I didn't purchase it, I guess. I don't know. Okay, and then also it has also a little case as well for this, and then it also got this. So, you know, if I want to just keep this on there like that, but like I told y'all, for me, I'm gonna put her right back up in the case. Hold on, cause it might not work. I ain't seen it on TikTok. She had it on there. I don't know. I'll play with it some more, y'all. I just don't want to break it, so I'm gonna just be careful. All right, so the next thing that I got is it's called a cold shoe adapter. So I had seen this because they said like a light is not on there. So it was like bad a little thing where you can just clip on there, and then I can just put my light and stuff on there. So I don't know, I guess somehow I'm gonna slide this in there, and so the light can just be off to the side, you know, so I can have a light, this, then, and the third. Y'all, I done broke it already. It's so fucking cheap. I done broke the damn thing all fucking weird, bro. We're gonna leave this to the side because I done broke it already, y'all. I just got the damn child. It's sad. I'm gonna put this all to the side. I'm gonna play with this off camera because I'm too excited. I'm breaking my things. I just brought this dumbass shit. All right, let's go to the next packet because chaboo. The silicone stand. I'm thinking all of these things that I got on here, I'm probably gonna have to just take it off. So should I have really gotten like this whole silicone thing? Yeah, it's cute, but it's giving a lot of stuff that you need to do with it. You don't even need all of this extra ass shit on there. Like, I'm starting to see that shit now. Like, I guess you just put it, yeah, way better. Look, so you can just slide it in there just like that, and then I guess you'll just sit it on any type of surface. So that's cute. So far it's giving, if you get it, baby girl, don't even buy the silicone cute case pieces, just buy one of these, and they got all different types of colors for it. I have screen protectors, so I'm definitely gonna put that on there because I'll scratch up some shit in a minute. And then this one is a mini tripod. Y'all, it is so small, look. Like, it's like the cutest little thing. And then you just screw it on in there. Tripod. Boom, you can have it this too, like something else. Okay, moving on. Next thing I got is a magnetic mount. I've been seeing everybody talk about that, like this is something good to buy, so I did get the magnetic mount. Oh, that bitch really magnetic too. Once again, I don't need all this extra ass shit. Just clip it like that, and I guess wherever is magnetic, you can just put it on anything, any surface that's magnetic. Ooh, child, so many little gadgets, so many little gadgets. All right, y'all, so this is the battery extender. Now I didn't get the DJI one, but I did get a cute little cheap one. Baby, apparently it does just the fucking same. And then at least this one is longer. Boom, bada bang. You feel what I'm saying? And it's charging up. It was a little charged. Period. And this is way better because it is so small and lightweight. So to have the extender, I see why they put all of that in the content creating packet, because you do get the extender with it, and this is way better. Like, I like that because it's not as little. I have a few extra pieces, so I don't know if I want to like do a cute little giveaway if you do have a DJI and maybe you don't have these accessories, so you don't have to pay for it and then I can just ship it to you. I don't know. Or I might just get it to like one of my little friends or something that got a DJI and they might need it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but if I do it, look out for the giveaway, because I might be giving away a lot of good stuff, because I even got a magnetic thing too. So I don't know. Or y'all let me know down in the comments, should I just do a cute little giveaway and give someone like some of the pieces that I do have double of? Let me know. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna definitely play with it because I want to just see how it is, just not playing with no settings or nothing. I just want to see how it's gonna be straight, just straight out the box. This is just straight out the box, no messing with the settings, no nothing. This is just me. I'm just walking around. I'm gonna go outside. I just want to check like natural lighting, and the gimbal is following me. It's following me around, guys. Okay, so I'm going outside so we can check the natural lighting. So this is natural light, me outside. It's a very good wide. People say get a wide lens, but this is, I feel like this is a wide camera. Like, I really do. Let me see. What is these buttons right here? Oh, hey. Don't mind the gas can. Period. How you zoom? Okay, for the gimbal. Baby, I don't know how to zoom, but I guess I just have to play with it. But let's go back in the house. I'm gonna take these socks off. I'm back in the house. Like I said, this is really no lighting in here, for real. But yeah, this is me. Straight out the box with the gimbal camera. Here's me in front of some lighting. Period. So yeah, what we thinking so far? I can't wait to play with this, y'all. Like, I can't wait to play around with this. Like, I gotta play around with it to see like what it's giving, because I know it is 4K, so I have to figure out. And then, how does this sound? Am I sounding good? Do I need a mic? I do need a mic. I still need a mic. But yeah, y'all, this is cute. I absolutely love this. Like, this is so cute. It's so small. It's so compact. Like, love. All right. This what we at with it. Period. My biggest takeaway right now, like I said, I will say don't buy this type of stuff. Like, don't buy all of this, because honestly, if you want to do like put little accessories and do different things like that, it's not gonna really fit. Well, so far that's what I'm getting from it. Like I said, I'm gonna do some more research. Maybe I was trying to put it on wrong, I don't know. But a lot of this shit ain't fitting, especially that magnetic thing. No, that has to be on just by itself. So it's kind of like, don't waste your money on this. Just buy a cute little case, like I said, and just have that. And don't even fucking worry about nothing else. I think you would be really good to go with just this case. Like I said before, y'all let me know down in the comments, do you guys think I should do a cute little giveaway with some of the accessory pieces that I do have left that I don't need? And maybe you guys need that, so I don't know. So y'all let me know down in the comments if I should just do a cute little giveaway. But yes, y'all, your girl is part of the DJI gang, period. I'm a real YouTuber. I'm a real content creator. I'm feeling like something. Baby, you can't tell me now. I'm ready to be in and out the stores. Period. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. But until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. But I love y'all. Bye.